For the last few weeks, I've been on a massive month-long road trip of a lifetime around the USA. Going through places like Anaheim, Palm Springs, Springdale, Arizona, Gallup, New Mexico, Aspen, Colorado, Utah, Las Vegas, and finally LA. Doing so many different and crazy things at each place. However, in Vegas, I got the opportunity to do something absolutely nuts. I got to drive a dream car of mine on a racetrack. Alright guys, I'm currently at a hotel in Las Vegas, but right now I am going to be going to drive a supercar at the Vegas Speedway. So I'll join you when we get there. I'm very excited. And I can't wait for you guys to see what car I'm going to be driving. But yeah, CJ Rebuilds is now on tour. Alright, we have arrived at, what does it say? Speed Vegas. See a bunch of the cars back there. And I can't wait. What is this? A bumblebee over there? I don't even know what this is.
Now we got tomato. Hey.
This is what I'm going to be driving. One of these Lamborghini Huracan. That's what I picked because it came at a good price to drive this thing. So, oh my, this is going to be an experience. That's crazy.
Excited?
I'm very excited. It's going to be unbelievable.
Oh my god, what a weapon. You should take your car around the track.
What, about 40 k's an hour?
Could be any.
Could be any of
I
them.
think that's STO on the end.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. So I won't do that.
There's literally everything here.
There's the
Audi, Audi. Wow. McLaren's. This is next level.
And the six, Honda.
Wow.
What was that?
The cars here was just insane. And the fact that you could choose any of them and get the chance to drive them was just ridiculous. It would be super cool to one day see something like this in Perth, as we don't have anything near this at the moment. I mean, you could drive anything from a Ferrari GT3 Evo to a GT3 RS to a STO. However, I'd already made my choice.
It's your car.
That's mine because it says 60 on this and 60 there. So this is what I'm riding. Huracan Evo. Green stitching on the inside. We're building one of these one day on CJ Rebuilds, you know it.
I think I'll cover my eyes when my son drives.
Excited?
Cannot wait. We're in the briefing room right now.
We don't crash.
Let's hope we don't crash up front.
Okay, we got insurance.
We do have insurance. With the briefing done, it was time to hit the track. Up first was my dad, in his dream car, the Porsche GT3 RS. And he was doing pretty well. And then it was time for my first lap, where I was trying to learn the car and not put myself in a lifetime of debt. So, I was going pretty slow. So slow, in fact, that unfortunately, this happened.
A little bit of throttle. We're gonna go around him. Steady, not too much. Now a little more throttle, tight right.
Yep, my dad overtook me. But he isn't a full track spec race car after all, so I'll give myself a break.
Go, Jake!
But I was getting better after each lap. and slowly building up my times. And just like that, it was over. So fast that it felt like only 5 minutes because of the adrenaline and how much I was focusing. But let me show you the best of the 10 laps that I did.
Smooth gas, go outside. That's better. Go the outside. Yeah, of course. Up. Left here. Brake now. Yes. Downshift. Hold the brakes and start turning. Ease off. Now just a little gas left. And now give it more. Beautiful. Give it more. Go outside. I like that. Okay, brake. Wait for the second grid. Hold the brakes here. And then now go get the apex inside. Hug it. Hug it first. Wait for the gas. Now a little gas. Okay, release it. Turn. And now smooth gas again on your left. You can go a little faster. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Release it. Turn. A little gas right. And then brake. Brake hard. Hard. I got you. And now release. Get the apex right. And then your left. Go back to the right. Yes. Brake hard. Harder. That's already finished. That's 10.
That's 10, wow. That went so fast. That's nuts.
Right, get to the left.
Thank you very much, man.
What do you think?
That was insane. That was a lot of fun, man.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, man. It gives me a lot of respect for the sport because that is hard.
Yeah.
It's hard to like.
Well, imagine the F1 drivers now.
I know, right?
You know, doing like 70 laps
Yeah.
and taking 3 times the G's we take here. But it's honestly, it's actually pretty good what you just did.
What an experience that was. And it turns out I didn't do so bad after all. There we go, guys. Fastest lap for me. Wow.
Jake?
Fastest lap, guys. There we go. That was incredible. Highly recommend Exotic Racing in Vegas.
I was only 4.
My girlfriend came 4th. She did very good. My dad came 3rd. And came 3rd. Very good, guys. Wow. That was wicked.
What car's next on the channel after driving that, Jake?
Hurricane. Hurricane, sure. Goodbye, Hurricane. Goodbye. Wow. Wow, guys. This place is unreal. Any car you could ever want, pretty much. Even these, like, non-road legal cars. These are like full Evo, Ferrari Evos, I think they're called.
That's the newest one, apparently.
Yeah, that looks pretty new. GT2 RS, my lord. You don't see these things.
$900,000 car.
Wow. Brother. This is not a real car.
It's on fire.
There we go, Dad's car. Over there. Wow.
I think I was driving it that fast, Jake. They've had to pull a fire brigade out.
Yeah.
Brakes down.
I think so. Everyone who's been here, guys. Charles Leclerc, we got Gordon Ramsay, loads of people here. Jamie Foxx, LeBron James, bruh. And I was quicker than, pretty much, it's quicker than everyone down from here. So it's pretty good.
You've driven a supercar in Vegas. How's
There
it
we
feel?
go. Unreal, man. I highly recommend that to anyone. That was next level.
And who was fastest
we've
out
said
of
this, so
father and son?
Me.
All right, mate.
That was me this
Hey,
time.
brush the dust off, Jake.
He might be better at building the cars and fixing them, but I think we know the better driver. I'm joking. He's a better driver.
All right.
I did have like 100 more horsepower than him, so
Yeah.
you know, I was in a more powerful car. He was in a better turning car. He was in a race car. You never know. But that was a
Maybe
wicked
that's
experience.
CJ. Maybe our next chapter could be CJ Racing or something.
Chris needs to be here.
Yeah.
There's just so many cars here that would be so much fun. I could spend all day here, but unfortunately I have to keep going on my road trip. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you with the next video back at rebuilding the cars. But this is a bit of a switch up because for once we're actually driving them. So, hope you enjoyed, and catch you next time.